How to find Bybit wallet address. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can find the Bybit wallet address. For this, you first of all want to open the Bybit app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store, search for Bybit and have this application installed on your device. Once it has been installed, you want to launch this app on your device. Now over here, make sure to sign into your account. If you do not have an account, you can simply sign up and create an account. Once you have created your account, over here, you first of all want to click on the deposit icon at the top right corner of your screen. You will find that once you have verified your account, once you click on deposit, now you want to click on deposit crypto option. Then select the cryptocurrency that you would like to find your wallet address for. For example, you can select Bitcoin. Now we want to choose a chain type. For Bitcoin, you can only use BTC network on Bybit, so you want to pick on BTC network. Then there you will get your wallet address and you can click on the copy address option to copy your Bybit wallet address. Once you have copied the address, you need to make sure that the other wallet that you are sending from chooses the same coin and same network. There is a minimum deposit amount, so make sure that you deposit more than the minimum amount. Now you can simply paste the wallet address that you have copied in another wallet and then you can deposit your crypto onto Bybit. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.